What is up, my friends? Welcome back to the channel, and we're doing a night ride. I again have the Hero 10 in my custom low light mode, which is 4K resolution, 30 frames a second, and some of the other settings that I went through before in my last night ride video. So check that out. I'll leave a link in the description below. But look at this. You can't see any of the stuff above me, but I can see the cloud cover, and man, this is awesome. Oh, I love it. Night riding is so cool as long as there's no wildlife. Yeah, but I am taking it nice and easy because these tires are cold and it's coming down in temperature and up in humidity, so I don't want to risk a traction loss event. Yes, if the meteorologist can call it a snow event, I can call it a traction loss event. How you doing today? Are we having a good day? I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. High beams, low beams. High beams, low beams. And high beams again. This is the Custom Dynamics LED ProBEAM headlight and the halo turn signals, which turn amber when you put your turn signals on, but they're white otherwise. Very nice lights. And I'm going to take the safe route and make a left or right, left or right. Make a right. It might be slightly safer to take the more traveled road at this point of day, or night rather, but this route is just more fun. We're just going to take it nice and easy, and we'll be just fine. Oh man, coming down that hill around that corner, that was sketchy. The light from the headlight coming up at me, I couldn't see a thing. Good gracious. That's a good view of the Custom Dynamics high beam. You can see that square of light that it puts on the road ahead of you. Turn it off, okay. now that we're coming out of that, we should have more light. Oh yeah. That was actually kind of a pucker moment. That road is dark at night, which should be obvious, but it wasn't. I did not realize just how dark it would be. And I don't trust any of these people. We're gonna wait a minute. And now I'm gonna cut through the neighborhood and wish you a good day. So take care, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.